As the ZANU-PF annual conference approaches, set to take place next week in Bulawayo, President Mnangagwa is reportedly implementing strategic measures to consolidate his power within the party known for his political acumen. Mnangagwa's recent actions suggest he is keen to assert control in what is expected to be pivotal gathering for ruling party. Sana pana mashoko atino kuti aiwa nawo yecongress iyi aiwa aina kuchimira zvakanaka tichiona aiwa vanonzi VP vaya vachiswa pakona aiwa vachinyazosailena kuti vasubscribe like turn the bell icon tipinda pana pamzimba inodanyora chiti. A statement from ZANU-PF indicated that a policy and coordination meeting was held today at the party headquarters ahead of the 21 National People's Conference in Bulawayo next week. The meeting, chaired by Secretary General Dr. Obed Mpofu, focused on refining preparations for the conference, highlighting the urgency and significance of the event. However, sources within the party have revealed underlying intentions. One source remarked, Mudara is clipping the general's wings. The party leadership has been instructed to keep Chiwenga at bay. This comment suggests a concerted effort by Mnangagwa to limit the influence of VP Chiwenga, raising questions about internal dynamics and potential power struggles. The upcoming conference will not only set the stage for policy discussions, but also serve as a litmus test for Mnangagwa's leadership as he navigates challenges within his own ranks. Tomashwa tukona robotitsana communism vachiti aiwa according to the internal sources araratidza kuti panguva inoyi zvinoonekwa kuti awa generally vakuchiklipiwa manje mawings avo kuti vasakwanisa kutombomuvha kuchionekwa kuti aiwa vakomana vanga vawomen's league kana vakomana veyouth league vachiunzi vari kuuya panapa vachida kuvavharira kunze but vanhu vari kuti haende kucongress kuti tinonyatsokuwana chokwadi kuti iite a litmus test tione kuti are they people interested in this leadership. Tudze mafunguro emari kudi pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.